Hello students, today we will be discussing about rest and motion from the kinematics portion of physics. So let us start with the topic. So today we will be discussing about rest and motion from the kinematics portion of physics. So before we get into the topic, we need to understand about an important concept of physics which is known as the frame of reference. The first concept that we need to keep in mind is the frame of reference. So frame of reference is very important to understand if an object is at rest or in motion. So basically it facilitates to distinguish between rest and motion of a body. So to understand about how frame of reference helps us in understanding whether an object is at rest or in motion, let me give you a scenario. Suppose we have a book placed. Suppose this is a book that I have. So I placed it on the table. So as you can see, this, from my observation point of view, the book is on the table and the book is at rest. It is not moving. So in my frame of reference, the book is at rest. But suppose we have an astronaut who is standing in the moon and he is looking down to the earth. So for him, not only the earth is moving, along with the earth, this room and this table and the book placed on the table is also moving. So we can then say that for him, the book is not at rest but in motion. So to understand the concept of rest and motion, we need two things. First, we need to understand the position of the object, and we need to also understand the position of the observer. So these are the two things that we need to understand from a frame of reference point of view. So now we need to go into the next topic, which is basically we need to understand about distance and displacement. The distance and displacement are two important topics that we need to further go inside when we study about rest and motion. So till now I've talked about frame of reference. Now we'll be talking about the distance and displacement.